Ladies and gentlemen, if your quick share is not working on your Samsung, I'm going to show you a few ways to correct it. So we are in settings on my Samsung device, and I'm going to go ahead and look for connected devices right over here, and I'm going to go into quick share. Now this is the first thing you need to check. You need to have a look under nearby sharing, and it says who can share with you, and you're going to tap on this and make sure that you select everyone. All right, so once you've selected everyone, you can say done. And the second thing you can do is go all the way down to about quick share, tap on that. And if there is a newer version, it'll allow you to update that version over here. But right now it says the latest version is already installed, and that's fine. Now the third way of doing this is going out of connected devices, back into our settings, and you're going to scroll down until you find apps. Tap on apps, and here we are going to look for quick share in the search bar over here. So we go quick share, and you want the quick share, not the agent or connectivity. And we're going to go in here, and once you go in here, you're going to go down to storage, and you're going to look for the clear cache at the bottom of the page, and you are now complete. Now, if it's still not working, the other reason why this could be an error is the receiver of the data that you are sending to may not have enough storage space on their device storage, and this will allow you to not transfer files. If this was a helpful guide, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.